This in this video we are going to see about Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Uncertainty principle was given by a scientist called Heisenberg. What is the meaning of uncertainty? Uncertainty means error. There's a mistake. What mistake? The dual nature of matter. Dual nature means for example, if you are taking a microscopic particle, best example electron behaving as a particle and as a wave. That is the dual nature. So it has some limitation in determining the position and velocity. If you are determining velocity means we cannot determine correctly the position. Simultaneously, if you are determining the position, we cannot able to determine the velocity. This was given by Heisenberg. So according to this, he told it is impossible to accurately determine both the position and momentum of a microscopic particle. Momentum means mass into volume, velocity. Mass into velocity. Position and momentum. Momentum means mass into velocity. So, the product uncertainty means error in the measurement is given as del x. Del x means uncertainty in position. Del p, uncertainty in momentum. This can be replaced by mass into velocity greater than equal to h by 4 pi. For example, if an electron traveling in a speed of 4 meter per second, consider, but we are measuring in only 1 meter per second. So what is the error? 3 meter per second. Uncertainty, that is delta p, given as delta p. Suppose electron is placed at 10 meter distance, we cannot able to measure correctly, so we will say approximately 8 meter or 5 meter. So there is also an error, that is given as delta x. So correctly, accurately we cannot able to measure the position and velocity of a microscopic particle. This was given by Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So to prove this, he gave an problem that calculating the uncertainty in the velocity of the electron in hydrogen atom, assuming that position of the electron in this orbit is determined with the accuracy of 0.5% of radius. It's given in the book, page number 42. So uncertainty in position. Position is given as del x. Here 0.5% of its radius accuracy. So among the 100%, 0.5% is the error. So 0.529 Armstrong. Armstrong is a unit. If you are converting it into meter, it is 10 power minus 10 meter. So on simplifying this, we are getting a value 2.645 into 10 power minus 13 meter. This is del x. Del x means position. Now from the Heisenberg principle, del x del P greater than h by 4 pi. P is the momentum, so we can substitute mass into velocity. So del x into mass into del V greater than equal to h by 4 pi. Now we want to find out uncertainty in velocity. So del V h by 4 pi into mass into del x. So del V h value already you know 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 kilogram meter square per second by 4 into pi value 3.14 into mass of the electron 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram into del x. Already we have found out 2.645 into 10 power minus 13 meter. By simplifying we are getting del V greater than or equal to 2.189 into 10 power 8 meter per second. But actual velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So such a great difference, we are getting error. So accurately we cannot able to exact velocity, it's very difficult to find out. This was proved by this problem. Exact velocity we cannot able to get, however we are calculating. So this was given by Heisenberg. That's why he told it is impossible to measure both the position and velocity of a microscopic particle simultaneously. So this is given clearly in the book page number 42.